Hey guys, this is Mr. C, and in this video we're going to look at multiplying and dividing monomials. This is an introduction to multiplying and dividing monomials, so the monomials that we use are going to be fairly simple and simplistic, and I'm not going to give you ones in this video that are they're really difficult or big or have a lot of variables in them or big numbers, because it's an introduction. There's no real sense in that. So in this one, we're going to multiply these two monomials together, 2x cubed times 4x. And what we do is everything is multiplied together. It's 2 times x cubed times 4 times x. They're all multiplied together. You could actually do this if you wanted to. You could actually take every one of these and separate them in their own parentheses like that. 4 times 2 is 8. And x cubed and another x, they're side by side, so you add the exponents. 3 and another 1 make 4. And so that's a good way to simplify that expression. 8x to the 4th. All right. This one is 9a squared times 3a to the 4th. So instead of writing this all out like I did in the previous one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the two number parts and multiply those together first. 9 times 3 is 27. A squared times a to the 4th. We add the two exponents, and that's going to be a to the 4 plus 2 is 6. And that's your final answer. Fairly simple. Okay, this one, 2x to the 4th times negative x to the 4th. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. X to the 4th times another x to the 4th. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 2x to the 8th is our final answer for that. Now we have two variables in here, but it works the same way. 5 and 4 make 20. M squared and m, another one, make 3 m's, so m cubed. 1n and 2 more over here are going to make n to the 3rd power, or cubed again. And that one's done. All right, this one, there's no number parts at the beginning, coefficients, so we don't worry about those. X to the 5th and another x is a total of 6. Add them. Y squared and y to the 6th is a total of 6 plus 2 is 8. And that's all you have to do for that one. Okay, this one, you got negative 7 times negative 2 first. That's positive 14. X squared and another x cubed is a total of x to the 5th. Add them. Y to the 8th and y cubed is a total of y to the 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's it. That's your final answer. Division is a little bit trickier because in division, things are going to cancel out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write this a little bit differently. And x squared over x to the 5th, I'm actually going to write out x squared is 2x's. X to the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them down there. I'm going to cancel these in pairs because anything over itself that's the same is 1. So we're going to cancel that pair, and we're left with 3 x's down here in the denominator. So everything canceled in the numerator, that's going to make a 1. Down in the denominator, you have 3 x's multiplied together. So that is x cubed, and that is your final answer for that one. We're going to do the same thing here. 6x to the 7th. 6 is 2 times 3. And then 7x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, you can clearly see that when the x's get to be the variables, there's a lot of them, then you're going to have to write a lot of stuff, and hopefully there's going to be a better way to do this. 3, and then x squared is 2 x's. So let's cancel some stuff out. 3 cancels, x cancels, and another x cancels. So what's left? Well, what's left is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, so 2x to the 5th. Everything in the denominator canceled, so that's it. You can put a 1 down there, But everybody's going to put down as their final answer 2x to the 5th as their final answer. But look, 6 divided by 3 is 2. These two x's are going to cancel with 2 of them up here, dropping the 7 down to 5, and that's how we got x to the 5th up here. So instead of writing all this out every time, then you can just go ahead and think about it. 7 take away 2 that are going to cancel is 5, and your answer is a lot quicker. Let's try this one. Negative 4x to the 5th, 8x to the 6th. I'm probably going to have to write everything out again. So I'm going to write this out again. Negative 4, 5 x's. Okay. And now we got 8 and x to the 6th down here. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's cancel some stuff out. Negative 4 and 8 are going to actually make a negative 2, but it's going to be down here in the denominator. So negative 4 over 8 is actually negative 1/2. But the way we're going to write that is the negative 1 goes up here, and the 2 goes down there. Still negative 1/2. Now let's cancel some x's out. 3, that one cancels, and that one cancels. There's one x left down here in the denominator. So my final answer is going to be negative 1 over 2x. And that one is done. That's fine. This one, we got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm going to just write it all out. 2 x's, and then 6 y's. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down below, 1x, 3 y's. And now we cancel some stuff out. So an x cancels, and 3 y's cancel. So now what's left? You got 1x on top, 3 y's on top. Nothing's left in the denominator, so that's it. Actually, there's a 1 left down here. But like I said before, nobody's going to put a 1 down here. They're just going to write their final answer as xy cubed, and that's that. Okay, next one, you got 12x to the 6th, y to the 4th, so 12, 6 x's. Four y's. Okay. Down here, negative 4, 6 x's. And a y. Okay, so let's see what happens. 12 divided by negative 4 is going to be negative 3, but it's going to be on top because 12 is bigger than 4. Okay, now the x's. Cancel, 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 cancel. They all cancel. So there's now no x's in my answer, which is kind of weird, but they all canceled out. All 6 here cancels all 6 there. One of the y's cancels, and you still have 3 sitting in the numerator. So negative 3y cubed over 1. So my final answer would be negative 3y cubed. Last one, 8x cubed y to the 4th. I'm going to do this one a little differently. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. I'm going to break that down into the primes. 3 x's and 4 y's. Okay, down below, I got a lot of stuff down there. Negative 4 is negative 2 times another 2. 8 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a y. Okay, so let's see what's going on here for this one. Now, since the 8 and the 4 are broken down into the primes, it's going to be a little easier to cancel those out. So cancel, 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 cancel. Still going to leave a single 2 up top. It leaves a negative down here, but the negative can go anywhere. I'm going to put it out front. Then I have cancel the x's as much as I can. And it looks like that's it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I canceled one too many, didn't I? 1, 2, 3, 1. I should have only canceled 3. So actually that one should not have been canceled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's down below. X to the 5th. One of these Y's will cancel with one of those. And there's 3 Y's in the numerator now. So Y cubed. So my final answer is negative 2Y cubed over X to the 5th. All right, that's it for multiplying and dividing monomials. Make sure and like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys later. Bye.